sir.
Yes. Now you see. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is a standard form of a quadratic equation. Standard form of a quadratic expression. So now, what is the value of a? Tell me.
1.
B value -1, C value -12, right?
Yes, sir.
Find out the delta value, discriminant we will say. We will say it is a discriminant. Delta, b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, delta. So b value -1 square minus 4 into 1 into -12. This is 1, this is plus 48. So you will get total 49, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If delta 49 means positive value or negative value?
48 how
What no?
48 how can sir?
4 into 1, 4. 4 into 12 is 48, right?
Yes, sir.
48 plus 1 is nothing but 49. So 49 is a positive value or negative value?
Positive value.
Yes, it is a positive value. If it is a positive value, 49 is a positive value, the graph is going to touch x-axis in two different places. మీకు వచ్చే గ్రాఫ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? డెల్టా వాల్యూ కనుక పాజిటివ్ వస్తే గ్రాఫ్ అనేది ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ ని టూ ప్లేసెస్ లో టచ్ అవుతుంది. సో ద ఫస్ట్ గ్రాఫ్ ఇఫ్ యు సీ x square minus x minus 12, it touches x axis at two different places. You can check it. Yes or no? First graph x square minus x minus 12 అనే గ్రాఫ్ x యాక్సిస్ ని టూ ప్లేసెస్ లో టచ్ అయిందా లేదా చూడండి. Check the graph now. It is touching the x-axis at two different places or not?
Touching, sir.
Yes. So the first, మీరు ఆ గ్రాఫ్ మనం చేసింది కరెక్టా రాంగా మనకి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? b square minus 4ac ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. b square minus 4ac ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే how many places the graph is going to touch, you can understand. గ్రాఫ్ టచ్ అవుతుందా అసలు టచ్ కాదా అనేది మనకి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? If you find out b square minus 4ac. Second question you see.
Sir, can't see your screen.
Now it is not visible.
Now it visible, sir.
Okay. Okay, it is 0 coming, right?
Yes, sir.
So the graph will touch x-axis only at one point. At any one point. At any one point it will touch. Like this. Understood now? If b square minus 4ac is 0, the graph is going to touch x-axis at only one place. Understood now? So like that. Next. Now tell me, b square minus 4ac, you calculate this value, b square minus 4ac of this question.
Sir, we should replace what value, sir?
b square minus 4ac calculate చేయండి, దీనికి డెల్టా వాల్యూ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయండి, డిస్క్రిమినెంట్. b value how much?
4.
Minus 4. Sixteen minus 20 how much? Minus
Minus 4. 4, sir.
negative 4. The graph, it will not touch x-axis. If it is a negative value, the graph, it is not going to touch x-axis. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సిన పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి? b square minus 4ac వాల్యూ గనుక పాజిటివ్ వస్తే, if it is delta is positive, graph will touch x-axis in how many places?
2 places.
2 places. If delta is 0, the graph is touching the x-axis at how many places?
1 place.
4, sir.
Delta is negative. Delta is negative.
4.
Not touching.
No, not touching. At one place also it will not touch. Understood now? So like that you can understand. The graph is touching x-axis. ఒక్కోసారి మీరు గ్రాఫ్ డ్రా చేస్తారు, మీకు డౌట్ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు అనే ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంది. అసలు వాస్తవానికి అది టచ్ అవుతుందా లేదా అని మనకి ఎలా తెలియాలి? బై ఫైండింగ్ b square minus 4ac. Okay, clear?
B square minus 4ac formula, sir.
Yes, it is a discriminant formula to find the nature of the roots, to find the nature of the graph.
Okay, sir. Shall we write this, sir?
Yes, if you want you can write, otherwise we will continue. Now we understood how to find out b square minus 4ac.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now exercise number 3.4 now. 3.3 is there. Now we completed 3.2, right? Now 3.3. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. 3.3 open everyone.
Yes, sir. Opened.
Okay. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Okay, just the same manner, factorization method we can use to find out the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Listen. Okay, this is the question. X square minus 2x minus 8. X square minus 2x minus 8. This is the question we have. Now we have to find the roots. Roots అనొచ్చు, zeros అనొచ్చు. సో మనం ఎలా అయినా దీన్ని పిలవచ్చు. సో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద రూట్స్ అంటారు. ఒక్కోసారి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద రూట్స్, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద జీరోస్. సో లైక్ దట్ different గా. So now tell me how to find out the zeros of this, how to find out the roots. Tell me. Factorization method. Tell me how to do factorization method. How to do factorization method.
Minus 8 plus 2 4, sir.
Minus 8.
Plus 2 minus 4, sir.
What is that? Plus 2 minus 4.
2 4 are 8.
Yes, 2 4s are 8 yours. So first what you have to do, multiply the coefficient of x square with constant term. So for example, ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic expression. Listen carefully. So now what you have to do, first step, multiply a and c. That is nothing but ac. Yes or no? That is nothing but ac.
Yes,
Multiply
sir.
a and c. That is nothing but ac. Here also, a value is nothing but 1. C value is nothing but minus 8. 1 into minus 8. Okay, don't take that negative sign. 8 you take. 1 into 8 is nothing but 8 only. Yes or no? C value you take it as a 8. 1 into 8 is nothing but 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The addition 1 plus 8 is nothing but 9.
9
1 minus 8 is nothing but minus 7.
7.
But we need 2. The addition or subtraction of these two should give 2, but not giving. So another factors of 8. What are the other factors of 8? 4 2s are 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 4 plus 2 is 6. The addition is 6. But the difference is 2. 2 minus 4 is nothing but minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yes. So you can write this 1x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. Okay. So in these two you take x common. X plus 2. In these two minus 4 common. X plus 2. X plus 2. X plus 2 is the common thing. X minus 4. Okay, now one time You make x plus 2 is equal to 0. One time x minus 4 is equal to 0. Why we have to find the zeros? X is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 4. These are the
4.
two zeros. These are the two zeros. Understood now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Listen. Listen once again. Factorization is the very important method. We use to most of the problems. We are going to use this method in most of the problems. Factorization method. So factorization method is a very important method. We are studying from our lower classes. 7th class లో కూడా మనం చదువుకున్నాం factorization method. ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్ సంబంధించి ఒక ఎక్సైజ్ ఉంటుంది. ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని ఉంటాయి. వన్ ఎక్సైజ్ కంప్లీట్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్. సో ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్ లో జస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాం మనము, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్, కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ ఈ రెండు ఇంటూ చేసుకోవాలి. 1 into 8. 1 into 8 ఇంటూ చేస్తే మనకి రిజల్ట్ వచ్చేసి 8. If you multiply 1 and 8, the result is 8. The addition or subtraction of these 1 and 8 should give the middle number. ఈ రెండు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ని యాడ్ చేసినా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినా మధ్యలోది రావాలి, మధ్యలో నెంబర్ రావాలి. If you are not getting, go for other factors of 8. If it is getting, take these factors only. Okay. 1 plus 8 చేస్తే 9 వచ్చింది, 1 minus 8 చేస్తే 7 వచ్చింది. So not getting. So that's why go for other factors of 8. ఇంకా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏముంటాయి 8 కి? 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8, like that other factors. So I am taking 4 2s are 8. 4 plus 2 is giving 6. Don't take this one. ఇది అవసరం లేదు మనకి. 6 కాదు కదా, మధ్యలో ఉంది. మధ్యలో ఉంది -2. 2 minus 4 is giving -2. Take that 2 minus 4. So now -2 can be written as 2 minus 4. -2 ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 2 minus 4 అని రాయొచ్చు. 1x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. So take x common. If you take x common, here x plus 2, here if you take minus 4 common, x plus 2, that is equal to 0. X plus 2 is common in both. Remaining is x minus 4. X plus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to -2. X minus 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 4. So these are the two zeros of this polynomial. Therefore the zeros are -2 and 4.
And
Up to here you write.
Completed, sir.
sir, was completed.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Completed.
Okay, now find out the sum of the zeros. సో మనకి 2 zeros వచ్చాయి, ఒకటి -2, ఒకటి 4. Sum of zeros -2 plus 4. How much you will get?
2. 2, sir. 2.
Product of zeros?
6.
-8, right?
Sir.
Okay. Now by using formula,
Sir, board is blurred, sir.
now we will see the relationship between coefficients and sum of zeros. Formula. So now this is a question, right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the coefficient of x.
1, sir.
2.
-2.
Yes.
-8/1, sir.
Okay. So డైరెక్ట్ రూట్స్ అనుకొని యాడ్ చేసిన సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది. By using formula also you are getting the same answer, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can do any method, sir. We should do both methods, sir.
Both you have to do. ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు,
Okay, sir.
find the zeros of the following polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. You have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So this is the relationship between sum of zeros and its coefficients. This is the relationship between product of zeros and its coefficients. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If it is a part B question, directly you can use minus B by A.
This one right, sir, now?
Yes, right.
Sir, completed, sir.
సెకండ్ వన్ డూ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు
Sir,
మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. డూ ద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్.
Sir, sum of zeros we should take minus b by 8 only, sir.
Yes, it is a formula minus b by a. Formula you're asking, direct what you're asking?
Formula, sir.
Yes, minus b by a. Sum of zeros. Product of zeros is c by a.
C by a. Okay,
sir,
sir.
sir, in second
Normal
one I got
factorization method. No?
sir, in factorization method, the zeros I got minus 2 comma 6, sir.
Second question.
Yes, sir.
No. Only 1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir.
Yes, sir. Answer is 1 by 2.
Sir, sum of zeros 4 by 4, sir. 2 is
Okay.
2, 2 is 2. Product of zeros 1 by 4, sir.
Okay. Okay. Up to here clear? Take 2s common. Okay, sum of zeros is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Equal zeros, same zeros. Next, find out the okay 1 by 4. So now using formula you find out same.
Next question try, sir.
Yes, try the next one.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, here 2s minus 1 how came, sir?
Here, ఇక్కడ
Step. What's the
take 2s common na
2s
in these two. In these two you take 2s common. This one you write as 2 2s are 4, right? S into s you can write s square. This is 2 into s. What is common? 2 is common. Then s is common. 2s is common. So what is the remaining? 2s. Here 1. Understood now?
Sir, once explain third question, sir.
Question number 3. Question number 3, rearrange the terms. Okay. X square after x term, then constant term. Okay.
Sir, one after this second sum completed, explain, sir, please.
Which one you are asking? Third one.
Yes, sir.
Third one. First you arrange it in standard form. Then after that multiply. 6 3 is 18, right?
Yes, sir. 18.
9 2 is 18. 9 2 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7. Okay. Take 3x common. Here 1 common.
2x minus 3 equals to 0. Sir, here 6 into 3 came now, sir. We can take 6 into
Where minus 1 by 3. Here 3 by 2. Okay.
completed, sir.
Okay. Next you find out the sum of the zeros, and by using formula method also you find out, by using normal method you find out. Now complete
Do,
that the
sir.
fourth one. Complete these 6 questions. In this bit, how many questions are there? Complete 6 questions are there. Complete and come tomorrow. Any doubts are there, I will clarify.
Sir, sum of zeros 7 by 6, sir.
Okay. Sum of zeros is 7 by 6.
Yes, sir. Product of zeros minus 1 by 2, sir. X by 2 into minus 1 by 3 minus
7 by 6.
3. Yes, sir. Portion of x by 2 into 1 by 3 minus 3 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by
Minus 1 by 2.
2. Yes, sir.
Okay. By using formula method also you find out.
Sir,
By using formula also you find out the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros.
For another sum, sir.
For the same question, formula minus b by a completed.
Not understood, sir.
For this only, find out the sum of the zeros by using formula method.
Coefficient of x square. Completed, no, sir. That now 7/6.
You written this one?
Yes, sir. Written, sir.
Okay. This is only I am asking.
Complete that written, sir. Already. Constant term by
Okay.
coefficient of x square. Oh, తమ్ముడు స్పోర్ట్స్
Okay, now complete question number 4, 5, 6. These 3 questions as a homework. If you are not getting, tomorrow I will explain.
ఎస్ సార్